Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create choir vocals with Suno AI. So all you need to do is open any browser and then type in suno.com and then log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your account and then go and press on create. Now in the song description, press input create choir vocal song and then go to the lyrics. For example, type in your lyrics or a prompt or leave blank for instrumental. But if you need lyrics, you can type your lyrics here and then you can see the style here and then you can choose an inspiration, yoga, electric guitar, play for vocals. Choose something that goes with choir vocals and then you can see the vocal gender, male or female, lyrics mode, manual, mumble or auto, and then all you need to do is press on create. Suno AI will take a few seconds to generate your song. If the song wasn't generated after 1 to 2 minutes, all you need to do is just to refresh and you will find your song in your workspace here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.